Ever wondered how the art of blending essential oils can create a symphony of scents? It's a fascinating process, akin to music, with its concept of scales. In the realm of essential oils, these scales translate to top, middle, and base notes. Each note, similar to a musical counterpart, plays a unique role in the composition of a blend, resulting in a harmonious and balanced scent. Top notes are the opening bars of this aromatic symphony. They are light and fresh, the first scent to reach your senses. However, like a fleeting melody, they fade quickly. Picture the zesty zest of lemon or the invigorating scent of eucalyptus. Other top note oils include bergamot, sweet orange, and basil. As the top notes recede, the middle notes take center stage. These are the heart of the fragrance, lingering for a while, lending substance to the scent. Imagine the floral scent of geranium or the citrusy aroma of neroli. Lavender, rosemary, and rosewood are other classic middle notes. And finally, the base notes. Rich and heavy, they last the longest. They are the fixatives in perfumery, holding the fragrance together and slowing the dispersion of lighter notes. Think about the deep, woody aroma of cypress or the earthy scent of patchouli. Frankincense, sandalwood, and myrrh are other base notes that give a blend its lasting impression. Each essential oil consists of different notes that evaporate at varying rates. This allows us to experience different layers of the scent over time. When blended, these oils create a complex fragrance that evolves as each aromatic particle releases its essence into the air. Blending essential oils is an art, and as with any art, opinions vary on where each oil falls on the scale. But understanding the basics of top, middle, and base notes provides a solid foundation from which to start crafting a blend. Creating your own blend of essential oils can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It allows you to experiment and discover your signature scent. And once you've created your blend, storing it in an ornate glass bottle adds to its allure. So, remember the keys to blending essential oils. Understand the scale of notes from top, middle, to base. Know that each oil evaporates at a different rate, contributing to the evolution of the blend's scent. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. Happy blending, and see you in the next video with evaporation rates.